Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's YouTube video, I will show you how to easily share your LinkedIn profile via WhatsApp. Whether you're networking, sending a resume, or just sharing your professional information with friends, this is a quick and simple way to connect. So let's get started. Firstly, open the LinkedIn app from your mobile device. And after that, click on the profile option, which is at the side of the search bar at the top left corner of the screen. After that, click on your name, which will redirect you to your profile. Next, click on the three dots option, which is located at the right hand side of the add section. In the drop down menu, select share profile via. After that, you can copy the link of your profile from here and go to the WhatsApp and send to the receiver, or you can directly scroll down and tap on the WhatsApp option, which is already available here. Now search the individual to whom you want to send your WhatsApp profile. Click on the yellow green button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now simply click on the send option, and that's it. You have now shared your LinkedIn profile on WhatsApp. This is a great way to quickly connect with other professionals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and happy networking.